dudes and dudettes. Welcome to the ROG Show. I'm Lucian, and this is HotFix News. Our first piece of news is CES 2018 just wrapped up a couple weeks ago in Vegas. We launched an exciting new product called our Big Format Gaming Display, or BFGD. We co-worked with NVIDIA to create this monstrous gaming display. It's 65 inches, 120 hertz, 4K, HDR, G-Sync, and it has an NVIDIA Shield built in. And that's ridiculous. What else more could you ever want in a display? We also launched our Bezel Free Kit. Here's what happened when I heard about it.
I'm bezel free, baby!
Now, this is going to be really cool for your triple monitor setups. You just stick one of these in each corner, and it's amazing. We also just wrapped up Dreamhack. We had a great big booth there, a lot of exciting activities. I think we raffled off a car. I mean, it was ridiculous. So if you were on site and got to check out our booth, let me know how it was in the comment section down below. I also just stopped by Taipei Game Show, TGS 2018 here in Taipei, and had a great time. It was super packed. I got some exclusive interviews and footage for you guys, so if you're interested, check out the video. In eSport news, the League of Legends season just kicked off. Let me know your favorite team down in the comment section below. Another hot esports topic is the brand new Overwatch League. We've seen pro Overwatch before, but now Blizzard's just kicked off their officially sanctioned league. The first match of the season had 10 million viewers. That's ridiculous. 10 million. That's putting esports into a whole nother category. It's on track to surpass most of the traditional sports that we watch now online and on TV. Continuing the trend of esports global domination. Now, if you're into esports, I highly recommend you pick yourself up a GTX 1070 Ti. We have quite a few options at ASUS. We have our Turbo line, our Cerberus, and our very popular Strix gaming lineup. If you want to be on par with the pros, get yourself a high refresh rate monitor and one of these bad boys, and you're off to the races. Now it's time to talk about Battle Royale news, the trend that's been sweeping gamers worldwide. Fortnite has announced the closure of their free-to-play game Paragon, and the reason that Paragon is going to die is because Epic is shifting resources toward Fortnite, which has, as you I'm sure know, exploded in popularity. Now, this is really interesting. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below. Were you a Paragon fan? Are you sad to see it go? What do you think about a developer shifting resources like this and killing one game to support another? Now, another hot topic, of course, is that PUBG, Bluehole, the developers behind the game, they're killing the starting island. They're taking away the guns and moving players further apart from each other, which is basically rip fun. They're doing this in order to increase the performance of these starting areas. I think this will be really helpful, probably especially for the console versions, but come on, we don't want to sacrifice fun for performance. We must have both. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now, YouTube has stirred up a little drama when they announced they're going to change their monetization policy ever so slightly. Of course, this always makes splashes because it affects all of us. It affects me, it affects you, anyone who watches videos online, this is gonna have some impact on them. Their changes are quite small, honestly. They're just increasing the barrier to entry very slightly by requiring more hours viewed per channel per month, and increasing the number of subscribers you need to have before you can be a YouTube partner and become part of their, paid program with AdSense. Now, YouTube did also announce at the same time that they will be allowing content creators to start putting external links back in the end screens of their videos. So if you want to link to your Patreon account or Kickstarter account, you will be able to do that in the future. I'm not sure they've implemented that yet, but in my opinion, that's a good change. It's just a shame that YouTube isn't supporting this kind of monetization for smaller or more niche channels on their own. Instead, those content creators will need to rely on third parties. Now, that's all the news we have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Lucian. This was HotFix News. If you liked what you saw, you know what to do. I'll see you in a couple weeks.